Why in Shiv Yoga, very happily I say, tum chahte kya ho? Create a desire. It can be disastrous also. Because scripture says, have less desires. I know it is going to reduce. Because I am making you do the sadhana, Shiva Yoga sadhana. And when you are doing sadhana, your level of consciousness is going to increase. And as your consciousness is rising, the desires which you are having today, after the rising of consciousness, it will be different. Your growth will be so fast that the desires, the achievements will run after you. When the growth is not there, every human being run after the achievements. But a Shiva Yogi, when he is growing, the achievement follow the Shiva Yogi. लक्ष्मी के पीछे भागता है मनुष्य. लक्ष्मी चंचला है, वो हाथी नहीं आती. और जब चेतना तुम्हारी उठती है और तुम मनुष्य से नारायण बनना शुरू हो जाते हो, तो वही लक्ष्मी जिसके पीछे तुम भागते थे, अब वो तुम्हारे पीछे भागती है. जिधर जिधर तुम्हारा कदम पड़ जाता है, वहां वहां लक्ष्मी का वास हो जाता है. That is what the Shiva Yoga says. Then the success, the accomplishment, the happiness, they follow you. You do not run after them, but they run after you. But you are already in a state of contentment, in a state of bliss. Why? What is it? Why you want to achieve anything? Why, as a matter of fact, you want to become healthy? Suppose if a person is sick and he becomes healthy, what he has received? Can anybody think? What he has received? Happiness. He is happy that he has become healthy. If a person has a small house and he wants to have a bigger house, suppose he has got the bigger house, so what he has got? Happiness. When every family member in the house is fighting with each other, not understanding, not listening the truth, and suddenly they start loving each other, what they have got? Happiness. A person wanted to be great success. He has become a great success. And after achieving success, what he gets is happiness. So what is the common factor? Everyone is running after nothing but happiness. Neither you are running after a good health, neither you are running after a bigger house, neither you are running after a name or fame, neither you are running after prosperity or abundance. You are running after what? In the name of all these things, what you are looking for is happiness. And the quality of that happiness, it goes on changing. The vibration of that happiness goes on changing according to your individual consciousness. As the consciousness is risen, the quality of that happiness also changes, becomes more purer, purer, purer. And a stage comes where that happiness turns into bliss, ananda, Satchit Ananda.